Here's how to enable loop recording on one of your Tapo cameras. Simply select the camera that you want to use from the list, which is this camera here. Go to your settings icon at the top right, and then we click on storage and recording. So click on that. And then you'll see here we've got local storage, local recording enabled, and local storage. And we'll click on local storage, and then we make sure that loop recording is enabled. What this means is it's basically out with the old and in with the new. It will record a new clip, and if the card gets full, it will overwrite the oldest clip on the card with the newest clip. So you always get the most up-to-date clips and information. Now there's a few more things we should do before we do this. We should also enable a recording schedule, which means the recording schedule is all about making sure something happens in a certain time frame. So if you've got detection recording like I have here, and something happens between 12 and 1 o'clock with detection recording enabled, if it detects something, it will record it. You can also have 24/7 capture, which means it will record it within the time frames you selected. And you can also do a don't record for the ones you don't want to record in that time frame. And that's it. And that is how you enable loop recording. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.